guys, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel, and I got a wonderful unboxing for you guys today. I am so excited. I just want you guys to share this with me because it is absolutely wonderful. I actually looked on YouTube and I didn't really see any unboxing for this yet, but without further ado, let's just get into it. All right, okay, as you can see, I have a Louis Vuitton box, which I am super excited about. And basically, it comes with a little bulb up here, which I don't know, it's just there. Let's open it and just get into it. All right, it comes like that. All right, so we can see what's in there properly. I am going to remove the top box and I can just show you the full thing, see what is in there. All right, so let's unbox this together. All right, here we go. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Two doors back as usual. This one and this is the other one, but I'm gonna start with one foot so you guys see what's in here. All right, let's go. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. There we are. Look at that. That is absolutely fabulous. Okay. And it is in the monogram canvas with a leather toe, front toe right there, and a black lace, shoelace. Like, this is amazing. Like, I love this. Like, I just think it's a different aesthetic. Like, it's different from your normal sneaker and everything. Like, it's really nice. I love it. All right, so underneath it, it says Louis Vuitton right there. And made in Italy in the middle, right in the middle of the foot. And yeah, that's, and at the back, it says Louis Vuitton as well. Bring so close if you can. There you go. You see right there. There you go. Yes, Louis Vuitton on the back. Yes. So, this I have been trying to get for a little while because it was completely sold out on the Louis Vuitton website, and I have to get my SA to help me get it. Shout out to him. His name is Felipe, and he's in the Lenox Square, Atlanta, Georgia store. So anytime you go in there, just give him a shout out for me. And I always ask him, he is super nice guy. It's like, he's a very, very nice person, and he's always sorting things out for me, and I really, really appreciate it. I just had to give him a shout out. So where was I? So as I was saying, so this comes with basically leather on like the front cap toe right there, and leather on like the side of the shoelace right up top here. It's got leather right there, you know, and at the back there's another leather, and it's all really, really nice. And it has the Louis Vuitton sign right there. So you guys can see it. I'm just going close a little bit. There we go, Louis Vuitton. Like, this is really, really nice. And of course, I am going to do the on feet for you guys later on, so you can see what it looks like on feet, you know. Yeah. So let me show you what it basically comes with. The shoelace, which is the extra shoelace right there, so you guys can see it. Comes in this little pouchy thing right here. Let me just tuck that back in there. Okay, so let's see what else we got in there. We've got the care booklet, which is this. It says Louis Vuitton on the front. Just that. There's nothing in the back, just in the middle. So it's just basically outer care for the shoe and keep it in good condition and everything. You know, okay, what else? And it's got the receipt. It comes in this envelope. As usual, the yellowish, orangish envelope. And the receipts. Let me check to see if my information is on this. No. Okay. So, after tax and everything, this retails at 8.11.31 cents. Let me show you guys so you can see it right there. Okay, there we go. Come a little closer. All right, and I will definitely do an on feet for you guys. Let me give you a quick spin for both foot so you see how it looks together. All right, let's see both foot right here. Quick spin. All right, and there we go. That's the back, side, and the front. Side again, and bottom, which I absolutely love. So that's the unboxing I've got for you guys today, and I will definitely do the on feet as usual. And if you enjoy the content here today, please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. I really appreciate you guys. This is a new channel, and I really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Yeah.